Trading crypto hasn't been so easy other than this. And in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to consistently milk the market trading cryptocurrency. Even if you're a beginner, an intermediate, and advanced, this video is literally for you. You have to stick to the end of this video to see how to constantly be profitable trading cryptocurrency with just your phone and your laptop. So let's dive into the video. So the first thing you want to do as a crypto trader is to have a very good exchange. So if you don't have a good exchange, whatever you're doing, you end up losing the money because you'll not be able to withdraw. At the description box below, I've dropped the recommended exchange link that I'm using, which is BYBITglobal.com. So once you click on that link, it's going to direct you to this particular level. All right, so the first thing you want to do is to click on the link on the exchange that I'm using to trade this cryptocurrency profitably. See, it's one thing to know how to analyze the market. There's another thing to have an exchange that you know or you can confidently deposit your money and be able to withdraw. The link below is the recommended exchange I'm using to trade my cryptocurrency profitably. So once you click on the link, it's going to direct you to this landing page. Once you click on it, once you get to the landing page, the first thing you want to do, if it's your first time, is to sign up. So if you have signed up, since I've signed up, I'll just go ahead to log in on this page. So I'll input my email address. And my password. So once you get to the landing page, you click on sign up. Because I already have an account with BYBIT, you remember I told you that I deposit and also withdraw from there. The next thing I'll just have to do is to sign in. So I already signed in. Then I'm asking me for a Google two-factor authenticator. So I'll come to my phone to copy the two-factor authenticator and give to them. Now that I've signed in already to the account, what is the next step to do? The next step you want to do is to make sure you verify your account. Please don't deposit to any platform without verification. So how do you go ahead to verify your account? You come to this level here, click on this level here. You can see mine is verified already. Come to this particular level and click on it. So you can see that mine is verified. So you go ahead and input the necessary document needed for you to verify your account. So once you have done that, you go back to BYBIT, the platform. There are so many ways you can deposit on your account, which you have to come to this particular area here and click on deposit. So we have deposit by crypto, deposit with Naira, or P2P deposit. So the next step you want to do is to come to deposit. After verification, the next step you want to do is to deposit to the exchange. So that you can be able to transact and make money for yourself on the exchange. So for you to go ahead to deposit, you click on the deposit icon up. There are means of deposit. You can either use cryptocurrency or you can use fiat or P2P. So the best option I do use is cryptocurrency. I transfer through USDT from my other platform. So I transfer my USDT from my Trust Wallet or MetaMask to the exchange where I can now trade. After you're done depositing through crypto or bank transfer, which is through crypto or Naira, after you're done depositing, it's very important to know that the money will be sent to your funding wallet, which is here. The money will be at your funding account. Now, because of you want to be able to place trade and make money for yourself from the market, you have to transfer your money from your funding to your unified. You already said I already have money already on this my exchange, which I transfer from my Trust Wallet or MetaMask to the exchange. So through crypto, through USDT, which I transfer. You already see that I have money already on this exchange, on BYBIT exchange, which I transfer from my MetaMask or Trust Wallet to my funding account through USDT. The next step you want to do is to transfer this money to unified trading. So on this unified trading is where you can now place a buy or a sell on Bitcoin or Ethereum or Solana, any cryptocurrency of your choice, to be able to make money from yourself. So once I'll now do is to come to transfer. I'll click on transfer. From funding to unified trading, I have 1,930. Let me just impute $30 to it. Let's see. I've transferred $30 off from my funding account to my unified trading. Now my unified trading now is having 130. Remember that I deposited $30 to it now. So now how can we now trade the market? So how can we now make money from this after verification, after depositing, after transferring from our funding to the unified trading? You can make money off analyzing by yourself, or taking the signals that I'm dropping on my Telegram channel for free, absolutely for free, on cryptocurrency, and has been consistently been making money for a lot of people. For you to make money off the signal that I'll be dropping for free on my Telegram, click the link below on the description box so you can make money anytime I drop signal on how to trade cryptocurrency profitably. So you can get notification on whenever I drop signal on cryptocurrency and make money for yourself for free on Bitcoin, Ethereum, and any other cryptocurrency of your choice that I do drop there too as well. Now, not only that, I also give live trading, teach people how to trade the cryptocurrency market profitably for free on Saturdays and Sundays, so you don't want to miss out. So once you have transferred your money from your funding wallet to your Unify Trading, where you can now place trade, the next step you want to do is to come to trade. So when you come to trade, please click on futures. When you click on futures, this is where you can now analyze the market. So when you click on futures, it's going to direct you to this particular page here. Now, don't get it confused. It's very simple. This page is segmented into two. This part, this area that I just drew right here, is where you can analyze the market and decide if you want to buy or sell. Now, this particular segment here too is now where you now place your trade. So the first part is where you analyze the market. Then the second part is where you can now place your trade, right? Now that you understand that this part is for analyzing, and this part is for analyzing. So once you now understand that this part is for analysis, while this part is for you to place your trade, how do you analyze the market to buy or sell? It's a very simple strategy I do use to make money from the market. Just check the direction of the market, come to the 15 minutes, because I'm a day trader, to look out for a pattern, which is a W pattern or an M pattern formation. Once I see a W pattern formation on the 15 minutes, I'll be expecting more buys to the upside. So now I'll be buying Bitcoin USDT because market's an uptrend on the 4 hours, right? And also on the 1 hour time frame. And also on the 15 minutes, I'm seeing a W pattern formation, just like I explained to you. So what I'm expecting to the upside, what I'm expecting market to do is to push to the upside. This is a W pattern formation that formed there, and this is a retest to this particular W pattern. So I'm expecting more push to the upside. So I'll be buying Bitcoin. Now, how do you buy? There are types of orders in the market. So you want to make sure that you're using a market. You're using a market or instant execution. So market stroke instant execution is that you want to buy now. You're telling the exchange that I want to buy or you want to sell now. So that's what you're using. While limit order is you want to buy at a certain price or you want to sell at a certain price. For this trade, for this analysis, and for this live that we are now, we want to buy the market now. So we're going to use market execution. So once it's at market, you can see that there's where on this margin, you can see isolated, cross, portfolio, and orders. So this isolated margin it explains that if you lose this isolated margin, the explanation around is that if you lose 20, let's say that this isolated margin, what it explains is that if you plan on risking $20 out of $100 of your account, and market hits your $20, it should close your trade automatically for you in the loss of 20. It should close your trades automatically for you. It should close your trade automatically for you at a loss of $20. But when you use cross margin means that if you lose that $20, it should still, your $100 that you still have should still hold your account. Your $100 that you still have should still hold your account to whenever market start reversing, to whenever market start pushing to your direction. So I would advise you as a newbie to make sure you make use of isolated margin, because this is the best margin you can ever use. All right. So I click on isolated margin. Then my leverage is going to be 10x, not 100x. I'm going to put my leverage to 10x, not 100x. The reason for that is the higher the leverage, the higher chances you can lose more money if you don't understand how to make use of it. All right. So if you really want to understand how to make use of leverage to make money for yourself, still click the link on the Telegram channel where I explain more in details on how to get it done. So now that we're in market execution, I will choose order by value. There are two ways you can make money from. There are two ways you can place your trade. There are two orders for you to choose, either order by quantity or order by value. So I'm going to use order by value and I click on confirm. Once I click on confirm, I'm going to put, once I click on confirm, I'm going to now put the amount of USDT that I plan on risking on this trade. So I click on 15. I want to risk $15 out of it, but I'm going to put 150. The reason why I put 150 is because the leverage that I've chose already times 150. The reason why I chose 150, the reason why I impute 150 is because the amount you can see is because of this leverage here. The reason I put 150 is because of this leverage here. I plan on risking $15, but times 10x, which is 150. The amount of money the cost of this trade is just $15. So if market go against me, I should be risking just $15 out of this trade. So that is a very good thing. Now I'll put my take profit or stop loss. But before then, let me just click on buy. Then go ahead I'll just click on confirm. So once I click on confirm, now I've already placed this trade. You can see the order here. So for you to know how many percent that you're up on this chart, just come to this place, click on this. You can see we're up at 0.73%. So we are up at plus 0.73%. You can see that with this strategy I'm just giving to you, we just came to the market, we understood the direction of the market, we know where market is going to buy or sell from, and we're making money already from the market. That's how simple the strategy is. That's how simple the strategy works. And the good thing about trading crypto or trading Bitcoin, Ethereum, or any other currency, any other cryptocurrency pair, is that with little amount of money, you can make something substantial for yourself. So you don't need to have $100, you don't need to have $500 or $1,000 to start participating in the cryptocurrency market. With little amount of money and good accountability partner or a mentorship, you can make money off the cryptocurrency market very well, just like we're doing right now. So you remember that we haven't set our take profit and stop loss. And the same thing I'm doing on my phone right here, the same thing I'm doing also on my system right here. The same, you can see that it's showing on the same thing that's showing on my system is showing on my phone because these two accounts are connected. Now, for me to set my take profit or stop loss, is just coming to this place and click on set take profit and stop loss. The first thing I want to do is to set my stop loss first because I need to manage my risks properly. In as much as we are in profit already on this trade. So I'll come to this place. My stop loss is going to be below there. This is the level where you can see that you can analyze the market from your BYBIT exchange trading view here. Just a very simple and straightforward. My stop is going to be at 168.66. 168.66. Then my take profits, I can put my take profits to be above here, to be above this level here, which is at 117.244.90. Now that I've set it up, I'll just click on done. I'll now click on confirm. Now this is our order. Now we have our stop loss set and we have our take profit set. Very simple and very straightforward. So you can see it here. You can see it on the laptop too as well. It's the same way you analyze on your phone and the same way you analyze on your system is the same way you also do it on your phone. Alright? Now we're able to place our take profit and stop loss on this trade. The next thing that we want to do is to allow the market to either hit our take profit or hit our stop loss. Now that we're up already on this account, where you can also close your position too is coming to this place. So if you click on close by market, you decide to click on slippage tolerance, you click on slippage tolerance and click on confirm. This your order will be closed automatically. For you to constantly keep making money from the cryptocurrency market profitably, just click on the Telegram link below where I drop banker trade setup on cryptocurrency. If necessarily you don't want to make use of this trading view on the BYBIT exchange to analyze the market, you can definitely use the one on TradingView. Just come on tradingview.com and analyze it. You can see it's the same thing that's on TradingView that's also showing on my phone. Let me show you. You can see that the same thing that's showing on my TradingView, that's what is also showing on my BYBIT exchange. If you don't want to make use of the exchange to analyze the market, you can make use of TradingView to analyze the market. But when you place your trade is on BYBIT exchange to place your trade for your buy or sell to make money for yourself. If you're making use of phone, this is how your interface is going to look like. Now it's showing you the order book where you can now place your buy or sell. Remember I told you that these orders have been, when it comes to future trading, they have been segmented into two: analysis part and the trading part. So this is the trading part. Let's go to the analysis part. This is the analysis part where you can analyze the market and decide to know if you're going for a buy or for a sell. The same thing on the laptop is also the same thing on my phone. So that's just how to go around it. This trade, I'm going to be closing out this trade in little profit now. For us to close this trade, we're going to click on close by. We're up on how many percent return on investment? We're up how many percent? We're up 0.47%. So if you want to close on this trade now, I'll click on. If I want to close on this trade, I'll click on close by, and this trade. I'll click on close by, and this trade will be closed. But I know market should push to the upside very well, so we can make crazy return on investment on this trade. So I'm going to be leaving it. That's the essence of putting my stop loss or take profit. The market our stop loss, fine. If you hit our take profits, amazingly well. So that's one good thing about trading, because it gives you the chance to put take profit, and also give you the chance to put what stop loss. Now that I've showed you how to deposit, now that I've showed you how to make use of this exchange, I've showed you how to sign up, how to verify your account, how to deposit, how to also trade the market and make money for yourself. If you want to go ahead to withdraw your money, what you just have to do is to transfer the money from your unified trading to your funding. Let me do that. Let me do that with you. So I come to my assets, come to my unified trading. Once I come to my unified trading, I'll now transfer. I'll just click on transfer from my unified trading to my funding wallet. But remember that I've never closed this trade. I'm expecting more push to the upside so I can make good return on investment, right? So I'm still leaving it. But if you want to transfer, you just transfer. If you close the trade, if you have closed your trade and you want to withdraw from this exchange, you click on unified trading and transfer it. So you can input the amount of money you want to transfer. Let's say I want to transfer $100. I'll click on confirm. Once I click on confirm, it's going to go to my funding wallet now. Once it goes to my funding wallet, I'll now have to go to my funding wallet, just like the way I'll now come to my funding wallet and withdraw. So the best way I do withdraw from, either I withdraw from crypto, either I withdraw from USDT to my Trust Wallet or MetaMask, or I withdraw from Naira using P2P, all right? Using peer-to-peer. So this is my funding wallet. How I do withdraw is either I withdraw from crypto to crypto, from my BYBIT exchange to my Trust Wallet or my MetaMask wallet, or I withdraw from Naira, which is I can use P2P or I can use fiat withdrawal. These are the means of withdrawal. So this is, you can see on chain withdrawal, I'll choose USDT. Then now on this wallet address, I'm going to put my Trust Wallet or MetaMask wallet and the chain type, which is TRC20. Once I do that, I'll put the amount of money I want to withdraw from. And click on confirm. And that's just how to go around it. Very easy, very simple. If you don't have a BYBIT or a Trust Wallet account, or you probably have another wallet account that you store your money to, you also use it to impute your wallet address, impute the chain type, whether it's Ethereum, whether it's ERC20 or TRC20 or Solana. The best one I use is TRC20 because it's very affordable. So I'll use TRC20 and impute the amount of money I want to withdraw, then transfer it to the wallet of my choice that I want to withdraw to. Or you can make use of fiat withdrawal or P2P withdrawal. So these are the means which you can withdraw from. And don't worry about anything. Your money is very safe. You can see my money is there too, so you have nothing to worry about. All right. I hope this video did justice to how you can make money off the cryptocurrency market profitably. In the sense that I explained to you how to deposit, how to verify your account, how to withdraw, how to place trade on BYBIT exchange. See you guys in the subsequent videos, and don't forget to like, don't forget to share, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. All right. Let's stay active and have an amazing day, guys. Peace.